Hello everybody, this is Swarup here and welcome to your 10th C programming tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to use if statement, if else statement and somewhat into if else statements. Well, basically all the three works as decision making statements which works under a certain condition whether it's true or not. So we'll see how they work. Let's write a simple program to see the usage of if statement. Let's declare an integer int, let's say x is 5, and the if statement syntax goes like this: if followed by two closed braces and followed by two braces. In these two curvy braces we will write the condition which we want the compiler to check, and if that condition is true, the compiler completes the task given in this part in between these braces. If it's not true, then it ignores this whole part. So that's how this works. Let's give the condition checking whether x is equal to 5 or not. So for checking a value in C program, this is given as two equal to signs, not just one equal sign. So equal is given like, as you can see, double equal to's, and not equal is given like in exclamation and an equal to. So that's how we write for not equal to, but here we'll check for equal to, so it will be double equal. So in this part I'll write printf x is 5. So till now the program happens like this. It takes the value 5 into x, checks here x is 5, so 5 equal to 5, so it's true, so enters the part and prints this. Let's see if it goes like this or not. I'm running this directly and here you can see that x is 5. So there you go. That's how we use if statement. Well, now we'll see how to use if else statements. Well, oftentimes it happens that there are two possible directions for a condition, like we have seen right now, a true or a false. So whenever there is a branch, we can use the else statement to correspond for the other possible case. Like in this case, x is equal to 5, we write printf x is equal to 5. If x is not 5, then we may print x is not 5. So here x is 5, so it doesn't go, it directly enters this path, so it doesn't go here. So we'll just change x to 4 here and now see what happens. And we can see that it has shown x is not 5. So here it ignores this whole part because this condition is false and enters the else part. So if we can even check for not equal to here, copy this whole thing here, and now we can just put here x is 5 here, and now and make it this 5 again. Now see what happens. It shows x is 5. So this time x is 5 and it sees this 5 not equal to 5, which is false, so ignores this whole part, enters into else and prints whatever's there. So that's how it goes. And now we'll see how to use if, else if and else statements. Consider the case when you're comparing two numbers. It may be possible that one number is greater than the other, or the first one is less than the other, or both are equal. So we have three distinct cases possible there. So for that sort of cases we use if, else if and else statements. Let's see how this works. We'll keep x equal to 5 here, x is 5 the same, and now I want to check whether x less than 5 or not using less than operator, and I'll print x is less than 5. Else if, don't forget, it has a space in between else and if. So else if it may possible that x is greater than 5. So if x is, we'll just print it, x is greater than 5, and if these two cases doesn't hold true, which simply implies that x is equal to 5, so we'll write x is 5. So this is how it works. It takes the value of x, checks x 5 less than 5, false, so ignores this part. 5 greater than 5, ignores even this part, and enters whatever and does whatever there in the else part. We'll see whether it works like this or not. Running it, you can see x is 5, so it has directly entered this part and ignored this whole set till here. And similarly, if we make x as 4 and run this, you can see that x is less than 5, so it comes here, checks this 4 less than 5, true, so enters this. Whenever it enters this part, it ignores everything below that. So that's how the program execution goes, and using this we can control the program execution in the way we wished. So this is for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Code this program a couple of times and you will become a pro in using if and else constructs. And moreover, I'll keep on uploading all this source code onto my blog, which you can see in the description below. So if you want, you can go through it. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further tutorials. So that's it. This is Swaroop signing off.